Today, guys, I'm gonna show you the last step to get the new skin of the new summer update.
Yeah, it's from the 2-year anniversary update.
Yeah.
And let's go to these tasks for the 2-year anniversary update. Okay. And if you click there, you will see that you're almost I was grinding yesterday a lot.
Yeah.
I played so many games. I had to do 91 wins to reach this point. So the first one you have, it's 1 win for win 1 duel. Then you have to win 5 duels to get the next item. What's the next item? Click on the icon. So you get the birthday cake charm for 5 wins. And then you have to play 10 wins, confetti cake wrap, and then 25 wins for the cake finisher, and then 50 wins for the yummy cake emote. We have it, and then you get the birthday candle skin. So the birthday candle skin, you can try the emote.
Yeah, try the emote. Obviously, it makes
You
us
eat cake.
you eat cake, but
Yeah.
never eat cake and you never eat too much cake because that'll make you sick.
You don't see the tasks, the challenges you have until you reach the point.
Yeah.
So now the challenge is to win 100 times. It's not 100 wins, it's 100 times you have to do backstab. What I'm curious about is if we go to the free-for-all player mode, does it count? It doesn't count.
Yeah.
It doesn't count in the training. You see the training?
Yeah.
It has a different look.
Yeah.
There's a different look in the training.
I don't
If you use the weapon, it doesn't count. It has to be a backstab. And oh, you did one! Bravo! Wow. And this is gonna be really crazy these days. These 2 weeks, we're gonna have the Roblox Rivals. It's gonna be all people trying to use the backstabs, the knives, because they will try to get these 100 backstabs. It's gonna be really knife. Everyone will play knife. I don't really play knife, but I'm gonna start playing it because it's interesting. It's a one shot and you finish. Yeah.
Yeah. That's like the sniper.
Okay, so you did the few.
Yeah.
Let's do one more and see if they count. I'm not sure if they count from this game. Maybe you have to do like a regular duels, you know.
Another backstab.
You did it?
Another one.
Oh, bravo! Good job.
I'll get it.
Oh, you're really good at this. With the knife, you're really good at it. With all of it, actually. Okay, let's go to the cake zone. Where is the cake?
Doesn't count.
It's 0. Ah, okay.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we have to do like a regular game.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a regular game.
Yeah, but
To hub, let's go to hub. We try to do a 2 versus 2. Okay, 1. Good job, 1. So we can get the...
Okay.
1, you did it?
Yeah, I did it.
Good job. I tried to distract him. Yeah, I try. He's looking at me. What happened? Ah, he left. Okay. Okay. Now I get it.
I did.
Oh, you did. Bravo.
I got him.
Good job. So, what does it show there? 3?
It says fleet.
3. Okay,
Yes.
that's good. Okay, so let's play a game together now. You can also play with a friend.
Yeah.
And when you play with the friend, you can also get this. But it's a bit like you have to play for real, not like pretend. So we choose arena.
Oh, Dad, actually, if you get killed sometimes, you get marbles also.
Yeah, the marbles also, they count.
I just saw marbles, it's 250.
Yeah, I have marbles, yeah.
Hey, well, you all have so much marbles. Just sell them a little bit.
Okay. Oh, wow. That was really super quick.
Sober. Okay.
So you can play with your friends and you get your... I could use the spear. Knife versus spear.
Knife versus spear. Whoa, what?
Oh, I see. Oh. Wow. Yeah, I'll play knife. For the spear, you don't get the points. Right? You don't get the points if you play with the spear. Oh! Oh, you're really good with the knife.
You got marbles. You got marbles.
You are really good with the knife. You're a OP professional. I have to learn to play with the knife like this also.
Baba.
I play with the spear. Oh, again.
Oh my gosh.
I play with the spear all the time.
Yeah, but I think you should train out one bit with the knife now.
I should, yeah. I should.
Yeah,
I
but-
should change the weapons.
You should change to knife already.
Yeah, I will try to learn a bit more. So this is how you get to the candle skin for the knife. You either play with your friends or you play just random duels,
Yeah.
but you have to do the backstab 100 times to win it, to get it. Yeah, that's all. Check the cake. Check the cake. Wait, let's go to the cake area,
Yeah.
and it's finished.
Wait, you have 250 marbles.
Should be like
That's cheating.
7 or 8. Should be 8.
8, okay?
It's 8.
That's
Thanks
all.
for watching. I hope this
hope
helps you.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for
If
watching.
you want to see more, like and subscribe.
Yeah, exactly. Like and subscribe.
Exactly.
Bye.
Bye.